Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's project. It was a big one. So, see this? I found 30 feet of this laying on the ground back there after a big windstorm, and I was walking around going, where in the heck did that come from? Well, all the trim on this thing had rotted away over time. This stuff right here. This is a vinyl trim, and it covers up all the fasteners that hold the skin on. So I was like, that needs to be replaced. So I spent all day today peeling off the old stuff and putting on new. I did it on both sides. It was 90 feet total. Goes all the way up and stops at the top corner, and then it continues down the side right there where that black line is. Does the same thing on both sides. And we found a leak underneath the shower. I saw it dripping underneath there, and so I took the access panel off the shower and found that the P-trap fasteners, the giant nuts that are on the P-trap, one of them was loose, so I tightened it and fixed that problem. And then I repaired all the rain damage over here too. This was all rotted away. I pulled all that stuff out, fixed it, glued it, put new fasteners on. And then first thing this morning, the wife and I did this. We filled this whole cactus garden in with topsoil. Looks fantastic, great contrast for the cactuses. And it was fun to do with her. Now you've got all kinds of insects and lizards and things running around in there. I'll show you something else that we did, or I did. So Uncle Rich got us an orange tree, and we didn't have anywhere to put it. So I've been talking about using the sump tank over here for some time and planting a tree in it. So that's exactly what I did. We went and got a whole pallet of topsoil. I think it was 75 bags. Probably used 60, I think, 55 or 60. So this thing was the sump tank for the aquaponics system, and it's 5 foot by 5 foot and 7 feet deep. So we did layers of topsoil and then a layer of dirt and rocks, and then we just did that over and over until the whole thing was filled up, and then we planted our tree in there. It's a beautiful Washington navel orange, and I put this 4-inch pipe in there that goes all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom there's a big pile of rocks, and then the bottom of this is all the humanure. So once this tree gets established, we can start watering it through this pipe here down at the bottom, because once it gets down to the nutrients in the compost, it's gonna love that. And then we got half of the sewer line to the septic glued together and installed. I left it in 2 pieces. Excuse me. I left it in 2 pieces because the other half is going to wind up on top of the ground over there to get the correct slope for the solid waste to go into the septic system. So there's a T down there that's curved downward, and that's connected onto another T that's curved inward towards the septic system. So that should work great for the septic. I got the electric lines out. I still need to backfill this whole area with tons and tons of dirt and rocks and get it ready for our delivery on Tuesday with our 20 tons of AB mix. So that's what I've been working on. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those on down below. Give us a thumbs up, and as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long ways. So God bless you all, and peace.